This simple storybook for kids has made over $176,000 in passive income. In today's video, I'll show you how to launch a similar business, starting from generating the book idea, the main content to high-quality illustrations, and all of that by using the power of AI technology. So if you're interested in making passive income, keep watching until the end, because I promise this video will contain valuable information you'll not find anywhere. The inspiration for this amazing business idea came to me while I was browsing on Amazon, searching for potential sources of passive income. I stumbled upon a fascinating product, a storybook for kids. At first glance, you might wonder what's so special about it, but after conducting thorough research, I was astounded by the revenue these sellers were generating from simple storybooks like this. Take a look at this book, for example. It has received an impressive 2,550 ratings. If we multiply that by the price of the product, $6.47, we discover that the seller has made over $6, and when multiplied by its price of $11.90, the revenue surpasses $23,000. But the most mind-blowing part is yet to come. This book has generated over $81,000 in sales. Now here's the real kicker. You can publish these books for free using Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. That's right, no upfront costs or printing expenses. So, I asked myself, why not create a similar book using the power of ChatGPT and publish it on Amazon to generate passive income effortlessly? And that's exactly why I decided to create this video, to help as many people as possible tap into this incredible opportunity. To create a captivating storybook, the first step is to come up with a compelling story idea. So, I turned to ChatGPT and asked it to generate a title for a storybook related to kids. The first response was, The Magical Garden, but I was looking for something more exciting. After giving it another try, I received The Magical Forest Adventure. Although it was an improvement, I knew we could do even better. Finally, ChatGPT delivered the perfect title, The Adventures of Tommy and Timmy, The Search for the Lost Treasure. Now that's a story full of excitement and intrigue. Next, I asked ChatGPT to provide more details about the story, and it revealed that the book is targeted at kids between the ages of 5 and 8. It revolves around two young friends who embark on a thrilling adventure to find a hidden treasure in the jungle. I was thrilled with the concept and knew it was the right story to pursue. With the story outline in hand, it was time to create the actual content for each chapter. Here's where the magic of ChatGPT shines. I simply copied the first chapter, The Lost Treasure, and pasted it into the chat, instructing ChatGPT to write a rhythmic story. In just a matter of minutes, I had a draft of the chapter. If the results didn't meet my expectations, I could regenerate the answer until I was satisfied. I repeated the process for all the chapters, and before I knew it, I had a complete story ready to be transformed into a book that would generate passive income without me having to write a single word myself. It's truly astonishing how fast we came up with the story idea and its detailed chapters, all thanks to the power of AI. But wait, we're just getting started. Now it's time to bring the story to life with illustrations. Typically, hiring artists for high-quality illustrations can cost thousands of dollars. However, I discovered a game-changing solution, an AI art generator that produces original images for free. You might have heard of AI art and its ability to generate unique visuals based on textual prompts. This is precisely what I utilized to finish the illustrations for my story. Among the various AI art generators available, I found that MidJourney provided the best experience. You can try it for free by following the link provided below this video. Once you join their Discord server, you'll witness the continuous stream of newly generated images from millions of users. To generate your own image, start by typing "imagine" as the prompt, followed by a description of the image you want to create. To maintain a consistent style, I used an effective trick. I copied the link of the first image I generated and pasted it before describing the subsequent images. This ensured that all the illustrations would have a cohesive look and feel. After each image finished generating, I had the option to upscale it or create variations using the provided buttons. To give you a glimpse of the process, let's create the second image for the first chapter. The description was, they decide to go on an adventure to find the lost treasure. Since I wanted to maintain the same style as the first image, I started by pasting the link of the first image. I chose the second variation, upscaled it, and repeated the process for all the images. In less than 30 minutes, I had a collection of stunning illustrations ready to use. Professional-looking storybook. We'll be using Canva, a user-friendly design tool that doesn't require any design skills. Start by visiting canva.com and search for Storybook. Select the Create a Blank Storybook option. Begin by uploading the AI-generated illustrations to Canva. Then, simply drag and drop your first image onto the template. Now, head over to ChatGPT, copy the text for the first part of the story, and paste it on top of the image in Canva. You have the freedom to customize the text by changing the color, font style, adding shadows, and more. Feel free to let your creativity shine. Canva is a fantastic resource because it's beginner-friendly and, best of all, it's free to use. Once you're satisfied with the first page, click Duplicate to save time by maintaining the same style throughout the book. Now, you can replace the image and text while keeping the overall look consistent. Repeat this process for each chapter, and before you know it, you'll have completed your entire storybook. Don't forget to save it as a PDF file for printing. Now, there's just one crucial step remaining: publishing your book on Amazon. Let's quickly recap the 6 steps to launch your own storybook business. Step 1. Generate a captivating story idea using ChatGPT. Step 2. Create a detailed story outline and chapters. Step 3. Generate high-quality illustrations using the MidJourney AI art generator. Step 4. Combine the story text with the images using Canva and save it as a PDF file for printing. Step 5. Publish your book on Amazon using the provided guide. Step 6. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Congratulations! You've successfully created your very first storybook and opened the door to passive income. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and watch your book generate revenue while you enjoy the benefits of your newfound business venture. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.